In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10. Now before I show you exactly step by step how you can do this, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on this video after watching the video if this works. Leave a comment down below and let me know if this works as well. If it didn't work for you, then I'll try and fix it. But right now, let's get into how you can actually do this. So you want to go to your PC and you want to go to your desktop and you want to search for, you want to click on type here to search and you want to search for Windows Security. So go to that search bar and find Windows Security. You then want to click on open and this will launch the Windows Security menu where you can click on virus and threat protection right there at the left side of this menu. So you'll see all of these different features and you want to click right there on virus and threat protection. Now next up, you want to scroll down and let's see, where is it? It's right there, virus and threat protection settings. You want to click on manage settings and you want to click, let's see, where is it? Okay, so it's right there, real-time protection. You want to turn this off, okay? Click on yes, and by doing that, you will actually disable Windows Defender on Windows 10. But there's one downside to this, but on the other hand, it's a good thing as well, that if you reset or restart your PC, you would have to do this again. So it automatically goes back to being enabled. So every single time you start your PC, you want to turn this off if you need to. This is just to make sure that you're not getting like any viruses or threats, which is a good thing because it's gonna like make sure your PC is secure and like there won't be any viruses and all of that. So that's pretty much how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 10. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment down below and let me know if this works. I would appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.